Welcome to the new studio. What's going on, guys? Tony Hannity's here with Lazy Tech TV, and boy, this is exciting. As you can see here, we're no longer in a garage, a garage, a carport. We're inside. We're actually inside a place now. It's very, very cool. This is our Utah studios here in Salt Lake City, and I want to say welcome. If you're here for some awesome tech reviews, you've come to the right place. We've got a lot on our docket, and especially being that it's almost holiday 2021, we're going to see a lot more coming down the pipe. Now, tech reviews aren't the only thing that you're going to see here. We also have a huge pivot. Normally, we ask you folks to go check us out on either Mixer or Twitch or some other streaming platform. We've decided to move all of that in-house onto YouTube. Now, some of you might say that's foolish. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. And to that, I say, I agree. That's why we're going to try our darndest and our best to continue to put content out on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. So make sure you're following us there. But if you're looking for live streaming for gameplay, tech reviews, Q&As, or just want to, come hang out, this is the place to be. Lazy Tech TV on YouTube is going to encompass all of that. We do plan to do a full-on show, if you will. We've got a green screen for a bunch of stuff. I have a lot of ideas in mind, and now that I have the space to be able to do it, I think I can actually pull it off. So all I ask of you is, if you've been watching this video up until now, thank you so much. Hit that like button, share this video, share the channel with your friends and family, make sure you subscribe, and definitely keep an eye out for some scheduled postings of our live streams. And I believe our first one is coming up this Tuesday, which is, I forget the date. What's the date? Do we have a date, obviously. I just forget the date. Oh, that's the date. That's the date right there. Cool. Thank you, editor. So yeah, thank you so much for being here for this quick studio tour and our big pivot announcement. I hope it doesn't scare too many people away. If it does, I'm sorry. But if it brings in new viewers and new people into the community, welcome. How's it going? So we will see you folks in the next one. Got a new video coming out next week. Until then, have a great one. Be good to each other and yourselves. Bye.